Hey everyone, it's Quirt, and welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have you here today. Today we're talking about something that's absolutely exploding right now, cryptocurrency. It's a topic that's on everyone's mind and for good reason. Specifically, we're going to be diving deep into what I think the crypto market will look like in 2025 and how you can prepare for it. We'll discuss the exact strategies you need to be using to potentially profit from it. This isn't just about buying and holding, it's about smart strategic moves. Because let's be real, everyone wants to make money in crypto, but most people go about it the wrong way. They jump in without a plan and end up losing out. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about where I think the best opportunities in crypto will be over the next few years. We'll look at trends, predictions, and key indicators, and how to position yourself to potentially take advantage of them. It's all about being ahead of the curve and making informed decisions. We're going to be covering everything from DeFi, which is revolutionizing the financial world, and NFTs, which are changing the way we think about ownership, to the metaverse and DAOs, the future of digital interaction and governance. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. This is the kind of information that can set you apart from the average investor. So, if you're ready to level up your crypto game and potentially position yourself for life-changing returns, you're in the right place. Then grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. This is going to be an exciting journey. Alright, so before we get into the nitty-gritty of 2025 predictions, let's take a step back and look at where we are right now in the crypto market. Because context is everything. Understanding the current landscape will help us better appreciate the potential future developments. Right now, as I'm filming this, the crypto market is, well, it's volatile. That's nothing new, right? It's always been a roller coaster, and that's something you absolutely need to be comfortable with if you're even thinking about investing in this space. The highs can be exhilarating, but the lows can be equally gut-wrenching. But beyond the day-to-day price swings, there are some really interesting trends emerging. These trends could shape the future of the entire industry. One of the biggest is the rise of Layer 2 scaling solutions. Essentially, these are technologies designed to make crypto transactions faster and cheaper. They aim to solve some of the biggest pain points in the current system. Think of it like this. Ethereum is like a busy highway during rush hour, and Layer 2 solutions are like building new express lanes to help alleviate the traffic. This analogy helps to visualize how these solutions can significantly improve transaction speeds and reduce costs. This is huge for the future of DeFi, NFTs, and basically everything else in the crypto world. Faster and cheaper transactions can unlock new possibilities and drive further innovation. Speaking of DeFi or decentralized finance, this is another area that's absolutely exploding. It's revolutionizing the way we think about financial services. We're talking about lending, borrowing, trading, all without the need for traditional financial institutions. This decentralization is empowering individuals and providing more financial freedom. It's still early days, but the potential here is massive. The innovations we're seeing now could be just the tip of the iceberg, and then we have the metaverse. This is a whole other beast, but essentially it's a persistent shared virtual world where people can interact with each other, buy and sell digital assets, and basically live their lives online. The metaverse is blending the digital and physical worlds in ways we never thought possible. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming more real every day. As technology advances, the line between our digital and physical lives continues to blur, opening up new realms of possibility. Now let's fast forward to 2025. The world of crypto is evolving at a breakneck pace, and the landscape in 2025 is set to be vastly different from what we know today. Where do I see all of this going? What will the future hold for crypto enthusiasts and investors alike? Well, first of all, I think the crypto market is going to be significantly bigger than it is today. We're not just talking about a slight increase, we're talking about exponential growth. We're talking trillions of dollars in market cap. This growth will be driven by increased adoption, institutional investments, and the maturation of blockchain technology. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is going to continue to grow like crazy. The DeFi ecosystem will expand, offering more innovative financial products and services. I think we'll see more sophisticated DeFi protocols emerge, offering even more ways to earn passive income and put your money to work. Imagine earning interest, staking rewards, and participating in yield farming, all from the comfort of your home. Web3 is another area I'm incredibly excited about. This is the next iteration of the internet, built on blockchain technology. promising a more decentralized and user-centric web experience. This is the next iteration of the internet, built on blockchain technology. It's all about creating a more open, transparent, and secure online environment. It's all about decentralization, giving users more control over their data and online experience. Imagine a world where you own your data and have the power to decide how it's used. The metaverse is going to be huge. This digital universe will offer endless possibilities for social interaction, entertainment, and even business. I'm talking major brands setting up shop, virtual real estate becoming a thing, and people spending more and more time in these digital worlds. The metaverse will become an integral part of our daily lives. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are here to stay. These unique digital assets will continue to revolutionize the way we think about ownership and value. But I think we'll see them evolve beyond just digital art and collectibles. NFTs will find applications in various industries, from real estate to intellectual property. We're talking about NFTs representing real-world assets like real estate, stocks, and even intellectual property. This will open up new avenues for investment and ownership. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, are going to change the way we think about companies and organizations. These blockchain-based entities will operate without traditional hierarchies. Imagine a company run entirely by code, with no CEO or board of directors. Decisions will be made collectively by token holders, ensuring a more democratic and transparent governance structure. That's the power of DAOs. They will enable more efficient and inclusive decision-making processes. And finally, we have tokenized securities. This is where things get really interesting. Tokenization will bring traditional financial assets into the digital age. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine being able to invest in traditional assets like stocks and bonds, but with the benefits of blockchain technology. Imagine being able to invest in traditional assets like stocks and bonds, but with the benefits of blockchain technology, fractional ownership, 24/7 trading, and increased liquidity. This will democratize access to financial markets. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges and risks that come with this rapid evolution. There are risks to consider. Regulation is still a big question mark. Governments and regulatory bodies are still figuring out how to approach this new financial landscape. Regulation is still a big question mark. The lack of clear guidelines can create uncertainty and hinder growth. Market manipulation is always a concern. The decentralized nature of crypto markets can make them susceptible to manipulation and fraud. And of course, there's always the possibility of technological vulnerabilities. As the technology evolves, so do the methods of those looking to exploit it. Cybersecurity will be a critical area of focus. So how do you actually invest in all of this? Well, the same principles that apply to traditional investing still hold true in the crypto world. First and foremost, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies, different sectors of the market, and even different investment strategies. Dollar cost averaging is your best friend. This is a fancy way of saying invest consistently over time, regardless of market conditions. This helps to mitigate risk and smooth out the volatility. And finally, take a long-term approach. Crypto is still in its early stages, and there are going to be ups and downs along the way. Don't panic sell when the market dips. If you believe in the long-term potential of this technology, then stay the course. Now let's talk about managing your crypto portfolio. This is where things get really personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The first step is to set realistic expectations. Don't expect to get rich quick. Crypto can be incredibly volatile, and there's always the risk of losing money. Next, you need to find a balance between different cryptocurrencies and investment strategies. Maybe you want to allocate a portion of your portfolio to high-risk, high-reward investments like DeFi tokens. But you also want to balance that out with some more stable investments like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Regularly review your portfolio performance. At least once a quarter, take a step back and see how your investments are performing. Are you on track to meet your goals? Do you need to adjust your strategy? Remember, this is your money, and you're in control. Don't be afraid to seek out professional advice if you need it. There are plenty of financial advisors who specialize in crypto. So, there you have it. Those are my predictions for the crypto market in 2025 and beyond. It's an incredibly exciting time to be involved in this space, but it's important to remember that it's still early days. Invest wisely, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The future of crypto is full of potential. but it's up to each of us to navigate it responsibly. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.